Blade Survival Exit, and today we're going to try some military style MREs. I know I've already tried a few. I got a few new ones that came in. So first up is going to be grilled jalapeno pepper jack flavor beef patty, like so. This right here, and I thought MRE is supposed to be like a lot more calories and all this, but this has only got 140 calories, even though this is just the entree. This is not the whole kit. But it's got a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, so if you can tell by looking at the back of it, it's just one solid patty. Which we'll see how that is. And I am a fan of pepper jack. I don't know about flavor, but jalapenos can be good, so long as you don't put too much heat into it. Also, let me open it up. Oh, it's got a lot of liquid in it. Holy smoke, smells like dog food. That liquid, anyway. This is not gonna be. Ugh. I think somebody might. I think somebody might. Give me a second. I think somebody might have pranked me because that tastes like dog food. It's the juices off of it. Why would anybody give this to our boys, you know? I got a knife. Cricket. I'm a big cricket fan. Some cases I take them over kosher. Seems like a lot of company, and I'm putting... I'm sorry, I have to dust off all the pollen I got here. I forgot to do this on set, and I know I'm sitting on a lot of pollen. In my hand. It's that time of year, fellas. Oh, okay. So it is a beef patty. And it smells just like dog food. Like, not the good stuff like Alpo. Why would anybody eat this? Why would they serve it to? I mean, come on now. Anyway, hopefully it tastes a whole lot better than it smells. And here we go. That's what it's looking like. Let's see. Try to show without falling over into the abyss of pollen. So I need to wash my table off. I know I'm gonna get sick. I know when I get home I gotta take some sinus medicine or something on this. If you got good home remedies of helping you with sinuses and pollen, put down the description below. I'll take a gander at it, and I will post that on my Facebook page also to see if other people can can help out with that. Anyway, so off glance, smell like dog food, not good stuff, bad stuff. This spoon here is actually from KFC, where there is half the chicken, half the grease. Be honest with you, this right here was just sitting in my car, and that's what I got for it. Trusty knife if I need it. It's a Cricket. More on that later on. I'm just stalling. Honestly, I'm stalling for the eating because this don't smell good at all. And I don't understand why would military give these rations to troops. So hopefully it tastes better than what Alright. It's hard, man. I'm scared of this. I don't understand though. But anyway, let's try it. Okay. Okay. It's hot. Wowzers are hot. It's not bad though. You just don't smell it while you're eating. Tastes like it's spicy, but it's got decent flavor. In all honesty, all the MREs that I've eaten, I think this is my favorite without the smell. Oh, Mom. That's that dog food flavor. And I'm let you know. If you never tried dog food before, you was never a kid. Wow. Ooh, that is not good at all, and it's so hard. I wish show you chop it, but it's gonna eat through the plate, and I don't want to chop too much of it because I will break my fork or my spork. Excuse me. Um. But you can see little peppers in and all that, and well, how come all the MREs I tried, I don't really find any that was too appetizing. And I know the military can do more better than this. Hear that? More better. And I know English teachers that you taught me. If y'all watching it, of course you all might not. Some of them might not be alive. But anyway, I had old English teachers. But yeah, I can't eat no more of this, and that should be on.